How to change language on WeChat. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change language on WeChat. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure to download and install WeChat app from your Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. Once you are done with installing and downloading WeChat, you need to simply launch the application by tapping WeChat app. Now, you will land on this welcome screen where you will see the two buttons that is login or sign up. But to change language on WeChat, you will not need to log in or sign up. Tap language icon at top right corner from this welcome screen. And now here you can simply choose any language according to your convenience and then you can simply tap the save button at top right corner of the screen. Now, if you wish to log in or sign up, you can simply tap on either of the option and you can log in via mobile number or you can also tap on the login option and you can log in via ID, email, QQ ID or Facebook account and tap agree and continue. Further, you can also change language by logging into your account itself too. So that is how we change language on WeChat. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.